Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everything's well with you and welcome back to another video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Today I got another Scrawlrbox to unbox with you. So thank you as always Scrawlrbox for sending me this, they're always such a blast. This is Scrawlrbox number 107. And in every box you'll find a zine with details about the supplies you're getting, ideas on how to use them, information about the featured artists, an art gallery, and even drawing ideas for you to use the supplies with. Every month you also get a snack, a print, and a sticker with art made by the featured artist. This month's artist is Rosemary Baker with the most adorable illustration. I fell in love with it so much that I immediately posted the print on my art wall so I can look at it every day. As for the supplies, this time around it was all about watercolors. So we got a Scrawlrbox A5 hot pressed watercolor paper pad, a Faber-Castell Gold Faber Graphite 4B pencil, a Derwent Slim Eraser, a Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Fine Line Pen, size M 0.7, and this awesome Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor pocket box. Although I'm not super good at watercolors, I'm always excited to do something with them. It's a medium I really enjoy. I'll start by swatching all of this, testing some things out, and deciding what I'll do with them. So that means it's time to grab your snack and drink and come draw along with me. You know what time it is. It's time to take a bit of a break. I have to let this dry for a bit, so now it's a perfect opportunity to stretch for a bit, drink some water, and just rest. Also, in other news, I wanted to tell you that I'm working on a new update for my character design course. It's all about drawing accessories and props for your characters. So I'm looking forward to show it to you. You can get all my courses on Gumroad, and I'll leave a link in the description for you, so you can check this drawing course in more detail. Once we're ready for more, it's time to go back to painting. Hello again! I'm almost finished with this piece, and although it's not exactly what I had in mind, I'm happy with it. As I said, I'm not too experienced with watercolors, so I can't really expect a masterpiece. However, I do feel it's an improvement from my last attempt. Thank you again, Scrawlrbox, for sending this to me. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. And with that said, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. As a bonus, here's the finished focaccia I prepared while recording this video. Bye!